What is going on, everyone? Anthony Cofrancesco from Data Dive, and this is the Quick Start Guide. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the niche tracker. This is a great way to keep tabs on the entire niche, all of the competitors that you added to your dives, and this is a great way to update your research so that the information is current. So you can see here that I created this dive on December 13th, 2023. And it's giving me some high-level overviews into the niche, right? Like the average competition strength, how many competitors I added to the niche. So let's say I win a week from now and I wanted to see how, if at all, has the data in this niche changed? Well, one of the things I can do is I can come to this tab on the left-hand side that says Dive Again, and I can either select the competitors that I want to add to the dive or include it in this dive, or what I can do is I can schedule an auto dive. So if I wanted to have this data refresh on a weekly basis, I could say I want to do a weekly, or I could do a monthly auto dive. And I want this to run on the, let's say, the 21st of the month, and I can click schedule. So now my auto dive has been scheduled. This is just showing me the number of ASINs that I have. I'm on a super master plan here. This is like our crazy enterprise plan, so I can actually dive 42,000 ASINs in a month. I can show you what it's going to look like if I click dive again. What this is going to do is it's going to just automatically pull the research for the 23 ASINs that I've included in this dive. And I'll just give this a minute here to run. Bam, we're good. Okay, go to master keyword list. What's going to show up in the master keyword list is the most recent set of research. But if I want to go and see what did the data look like historically, and then I can click on the date itself, and then I can see what those numbers used to look like for all of the sellers in this niche. So what I'm going to recommend is that don't have these auto dives scheduled unless you're actually looking at the data. So on Data Dive, we have a consumption-based pricing model. So if you've got a bunch of auto dives scheduled, every time that this dive runs, this is going to use 23 of my dive ASINs to run this dive. So if I'm on the standard plan and you're only working with 500 ASINs a month, if you had these set up for even 10 products, that would use half of your credits. And that would be on monthly dives. If it was weekly, it would use your credits even faster. So unless you're actually looking at all of the competitors and you want to track all of the ranks for your competitors in the niche, I would recommend that you're careful with auto dives and that you're probably using rank tracking instead through Rank Radar. And you're using that to track your own individual product as you're making changes to the listing, as you're making changes to PPC. Then you're tracking those changes over time to see how your ranks are evolving. So I think that just about wraps us up for the niche tracker. Again, a great way to stay in the loop on how other competitors in your niche are performing. Be sure to check out our other video, which covers Rank Radar. That's how you track rank over time for your specific product. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.